好，咁而家咧嗱，我哋就會睇一睇啦。啊 ，Chapter 19第38頁第11題，咁啊對應翻頭先咧落堂之前講唔完嗰題啦。咁啊關於個 ephedrine acid， 咁啊一個乙二酸。OK， 咁啊我哋都講咗啦。First of all, we have to calculate， 我哋要計翻咧佢嗰個摩爾數。咁我哋計翻佢個摩爾數嘅時候咧，就計到3.78 gram。咁下邊呢個咧一除翻126咧，就係佢嗰個 molecular mass， 佢嗰個咧摩爾質量啊嘛。OK， 佢嗰個分子質量，咁啊 gram per mole 啦，寫翻落去。咁你咧計完咗之後咧，咁其實佢嗰個摩爾數咧，咁你計咗嘅話咧，就應該係0.03個摩爾嘅。OK， 好啦，咁你計咗0.03摩爾嘅時候咧，喺呢度咧。咁你咧然之後再計算翻咧佢嗰個濃度，咁所以咧咁嗰個乙二酸 ephedrine acid the concentration of it I mean their molarity 佢哋個濃度咧，咁佢嗰個摩爾濃度 molarity 就等於摩爾數除翻咧就我哋係稀釋到去咧250毫升噶嘛 ，OK， 咁就除翻250啦 ，OK， 除翻1000，咁所以咧佢嗰個濃度咧，你計算咗出嚟咧就應該啦，就係咧0.12個 molarity 嘅。好啦，咁然之後咧再計落去咧，咁啊頭先都講咗咧，就話我要知道係1 to 2嘅佢哋個 molar， 佢哋嗰個mole ratio 個摩爾比例喺呢度得唔得？好啦，咁你計完之後咧，我哋寫翻啲數據落去啦。咁第一樣嘢咧就計翻啦。好啦，個 ephedrine acid 佢嗰個摩爾數 ，the number of mole of ephedrine acid，OK of this one。好，我哋計翻佢哋嘅時候，我哋抽咗25毫升落去啊嘛，係咪？咁所以咧，佢嗰個摩爾數咧就應該25除1000乘翻啦0.12。咁所以咧，你就會揾到咧佢嗰個摩爾數咧。就係0.003個摩爾啦。咁我哋根據翻條方程式 according to the equation from the equation we know that the mole ratio between them is 1 to 2 係1比2嚟㗎嘛，喺呢度 OK。咁我哋喺呢度咧去睇翻啦。咁所以咧 KOH 嗰個摩爾數咧就我哋要乘翻2俾佢嘅。咁所以咧就係0.003乘以2 OK 個摩爾。咁所以咧計咗出嚟咧佢個摩爾數咧。就係0.006個摩爾啦。好，咁我哋咧喺上邊呢度，其實咧喺呢度我哋已經揾到 KOH 咧，佢個摩爾數就係0.006。知道摩爾數，亦都知道個體積啦。咁所以佢個濃度咧，我哋咧就應該會揾到啦。咁就係咧0.006除翻15除翻1000，咁所以就等於0.4個 mole per 個 dm cube 啦，得唔得喺呢度？咁啊，希望大家咧能夠清楚翻知道啦。Okay, so finally we could find out the molarity of KOH. Okay, we use the number of mole, we calculate it according to the mole ratio. So divided by the volume. So the final one should be 0.4 mole per dm cube, this concentration.